going on, y'all? SCS, we back with another one, man. Part 3. Everything for the dash and the tweeters to come to bolt down. The rest of the wire has came. I'll be able to pick it up tomorrow morning. I'm about to run this 1-0 front to back. I told y'all we had the hold up with the Skar wire versus welding cable, so I'm gonna stick to what I know, and that's gonna be that. So it's just a one hiccup. I made an amp board right here, but I don't know. We'll see. And them birch amp boards too. They ain't no cheap MDF. But the back deck is in. I'm about to go ahead, mount the speakers. They're going to the back deck. Mount the back deck, the back seats, the seat belts, tweeters, and the dash, and then turn CNC on and let it do its work while I work, so we can close in on another one. But I turn music on. Time lapse, y'all. Y'all about to see me. You better get it on. Stay tuned.
Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot in puff spot. J for peace. Drop the dot and now we plot. Beside the peace. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a P. Push a P. On capital P, I write the president. Count president. Push a P. On her knees, rockin' down the P. She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keep the P. Privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah.
Alright, man, it's 2 o'clock almost. Wait, let me see what. Yeah, I'm back. The yawning ain't for no sound effect or nothing. But 1:35. I'm about to let my CNC do its thing. I really don't like to sit while it do its thing because it's loud. I have to bend seat brackets back in place. I try to fill this gap as much as I can. That's about all I can get. Same thing on the other side. Light hooked up. How I work is top to bottom, back to front. That's how I work. Because you always end up closing in on the front. So closed in, and from here, and we just close the trunk out, and then we close the console and everything under the dash out. And that's pretty much straight. Everything from here on out. The LEDs for the armrest on this side, and this side will be closed out. The drive side always lasts. I don't care who do what. The drive side is always last. So yeah, we'll go from there. So hopefully I don't gotta take this back out, which I'm pretty much sure I don't, unless some crazy change get made, but pretty sure I don't. So I had to clean up the wires in the trunk for the third brake light. Literally, it was just, I think I got a picture, it was just laying right across. Yeah, everything for the third brake light soldered. Then that's the wire for the back deck light. All these get zip tied and angled, but I ain't cutting nothing till I got the amps in there and everything the right length. That get a rain terminal on it. Yep. And then it'll get screwed up there. But I ain't want none of this to be seen, so I'm gonna get some loom to put over the whole thing. Matter of fact, I'm gonna use the same loom right here. Take some of that off, put it on there. Yeah. Nah, y'all see it though. Clean. I gotta get some more and run it back down. But yeah, I can do that one with a smaller one, quarter inch. Yeah. But yeah, we just rolling down here. Waiting on my wife, she gotta bring me a ring terminal so I can do that ground, and then I can put this piece back on. What's going on, y'all? We back, man. I'm finna get started over here. I've been working at the house on the console. I'm finna download my story and show y'all what it looking like so far. One piece left and then one light. But here go the time, man. Y'all can see I'll be here for at least about 5 hours. I'm gonna be here for a little minute, make yourself happy. But what I'm about to do tonight, put the seat track on, see if it work. Make sure it work. Power locks. Had to get a pigtail because this is what was on there. So I bought the pigtail that got the connector on it. I'm gonna solder all that in. I gotta take all this back off. Bolt that seat track down. I ain't even gotta bolt it down. I can put it on the rod, connect it, and then connect everything on this piece. Make sure all that works. All that's getting cleaned up for those who ain't seen. Well, yeah, it's going on my Instagram story. But I can pull up this seat for y'all, show y'all what the whole car's gonna look like. Turn my light on. Hold on. Yeah. Yep. Y'all seen it? Well, y'all couldn't see too much of it. But just know it's clean. Real clean. Kinda think I wish I would have put Tech Flex over all the wires. I'm starting to like it a lot. But the third brake light, I think I showed y'all that. And then shoot, we just got that. But I bought some dye. I'm gonna dye all this. Tech Flex all of these wires to where they come on the amp board. And then I'm gonna hide everything. I crimped these. I ain't heat shrink them yet though. crimp them for the big 3. And then I made this amp board a little smaller than the last one, so I gotta go back and do the bottom piece that come down. But all of this gonna come back out because we gonna do the trunk floor and the whole full trunk. So I don't wanna run over on the estimated time. Run too far over. I already kind of ran over. All right, so that's done. Now I'm about to my light cut on. That's done. I'm about to jump on the C-track and see what's up with that. All right, guys. So yeah, it's about that time. About to get ready to go. Been here for a little minute, working on something else though, but being back and forth on this car at the same time though. So I could use the cables from this seat track, and we'll just have to find a motor. But man, I always say just find a whole seat track. Found a seat track work, right? You literally just take 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts off. You done. But this seat track was shipped to me, broke, and broke. Like I say, ain't be no capping on this channel. I ain't never capped on this channel. I just tell y'all the truth, and shoot, y'all see it, you laugh, or you make fun of it, or whatever. Like, it's be straight uncut for real deal. It's crazy though, getting these parts from people, man. All right, guys, back on the LS box Chevy. So the seat track did work, but it only goes back and forth. That's it. So it's 3 adjustments. You got tilt forward, tilt backward, which make the seat tilt forward or tilt backward. So back go up and down, front go up and down, then you got forward and back. So only forward and back work on the track. So I don't know. I'm trying to find out if I'm breaking the track down and swapping the parts to the good track, since y'all seen that the track was actually broke, the mounts broke on. Literally one side can go down and one side can't. So I don't know if I'm swapping the parts. So what? The console is like 80%. Well, really like 90. One piece left with the Capri sign in it, and I had to finish a box today. That's why that it wasn't done. But I'm gonna finish that tonight, and then tomorrow close the trunk out by noon, and we'll get back to putting the inside of the car back together. And I still got to do the big 3, so hopefully I can get that done. Picking up Saturday morning, so hopefully I can get that done Saturday afternoon. I mean Saturday noon time. I'll just say noon. Well, I'm hoping I can get that done Saturday morning, if not Friday night, because I really wasn't trying to stay out that long Friday, and I really didn't think it was gonna take that long. But when you're doing all that diagnosing, man, it's time to get away quick. And then last week, the end of last week, weekend and beginning of the week, I had ordered that welding cable because I don't know if I put it in the video or not, but we had tried to win with the Skar wire, and it just, I didn't like it, so I was waiting on that. But now that I got it, I'm doing everything to get to that point again. I worked around it, but yeah. Matter of fact, here go the console right here. Let's get it. I can't show y'all the piece that ain't done, but y'all can see what it is. But yeah, I'm finna knock this out. Then when this done, I'll start the 3rd video with that. Maybe I'll start tonight, maybe not, but closing y'all out.